Welcome to our easy earring tutorial. We will be working with ball pins and French wires. These are the basics for making a pair of earrings. The ball on the pin stops your bead choice from slipping off, both functional and decorative. The French wire has no fastening mechanism. They're going to rely on gravity and shape to stay in the ear. When creating jewellery, attention to detail is important. Good tools make working with small components easier. This brings about results that give a professional finish to your work. We will be using round nose pliers, chain nose pliers and side cutters for this project. The feature bead is a 15mm Florice bead in the colour Sun. To finish the earrings, I will use a sterling silver 3mm round bead and a 1.8mm spacer bead. The gorgeous black lustre of these beads and findings is achieved through an additional coating of precious metal on top of the silver. Pick up onto your ball pin the 15mm Florice bead, your 3mm round bead and your 1.8mm bead. Holding the threaded beads in one hand, use the chain nose pliers to grip the ball pin very close to the top of the 1.8mm ball and gently bend the wire 90 degrees away from you. Place your round nose pliers as close to the 90-degree bend as possible. With your spare hand, wrap the ball pin wire around the round tips of the pliers to create your loop. Using a pair of side cutters, cut off the excess wire parallel to the top bead. Cut with the flatter part of the plier blades facing upwards. This will give a flatter flush cut as opposed to a point on the end of the wire. Using round nose pliers, hold the tip of the wire and pull the end of the wire inwards to sit snugly next to the other side of the wire loop. Using chain nose pliers, open the loop on the French wire, pull the tip of the wire towards you, just enough to open a gap, hook the loop of the ball pin, close in the same way but in the opposite direction. Voila! Enjoy your completed earrings. Please send me any questions you may have about this project and I will get right back to you. I have put instructions and links to the items required to create these earrings on the website in the department kits. Just follow the link below.